Welcome to our Mathematics 10, Module number 4. The title of our lesson is Finding the Sum of the Terms of a Given Arithmetic Sequence. At the end of the lesson, you are expected to find the sum of the first nth terms of a given arithmetic sequence and solve word problems involving arithmetic series. Formula in finding the sum of the nth terms of arithmetic sequence. First, we have S sub n equals n over 2 times a sub 1 plus a sub n. The second formula is S sub n equals n over 2 times 2a sub 1 plus d times n minus 1. We use the first formula if the first and last term are given. We use the second formula if the last term is not given. For the first formula, it states that S sub n is the sum of the first n terms, n is the number of terms, a sub 1 is the first term, and a sub n is the last term. For our second formula, it states that S sub n is the sum of the first n terms, n is the number of terms, a sub 1 is the first term, and d is the common difference. Let us try this first example. Find the sum of the first 16 terms of the arithmetic sequence 8, 11, 14, 17, 20. First thing to do is to determine the given, where a sub 1 is equal to 8, the common difference is 3, the number of terms is 16, and the missing is the sum of the 16 terms. In this problem, the last term is not given. So therefore, we will use the formula S sub n equals n over 2 times 2a sub 1 plus d times n minus 1. Next thing to do is to substitute the given in the formula. So after substitution, we will now perform operations. So from that substitution, we have S sub 16 equals 16 over 2 times 2 times 8 plus 3 times 16 minus 1. Let us now perform operations. We now have S sub 16 equals 8 times 16 plus 3 times 15. Next, we have S sub 16 equals 8 times 16 plus 45. Next is S sub 16 equals 8 times 61. Then the final answer is S sub 16 equals 488. Thus, the sum of the first 16 terms of the series is 488.